once again, the Ginoong Antipolo 2025 Top 10.
Ladies and gentlemen judges, we will be hearing the advocacy of our top 10 Ginoong Antipolo 2025. Starting with Ginoo number 2.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. My advocacy to my life is education. As a working student, pinagsasabay ko po ang pag-aaral at paghahanap buhay. Estudyante sa umaga, tricycle driver sa gabi. At sa bawat pasahero na aking sinasakay, binibigyan ko sila ng inspirasyon. Inspirasyon na madadali nila hanggang bahay nila. Dahil alam naman po natin na hindi lahat ay may kalidad na talino upang makakuha ng scholarship ng bayan. Kaya akin pong isinasa katuparan o hinihiling sa gobyerno na magkaroon ng accessible na edukasyon sa kolehiyo. Hindi lamang po para sa mga matatalino o may mga kaya sa buhay. Dapat din po sa mga batang may tiyaga at dedikasyong makapagtapos sa buhay. Maraming salamat sa mga guro nagbibigay ng extension para sa mga project namin. Malaking tulong po ito sa mga katulad kong working student. Kaya nga po namin linalaban yung aming pangarap. Dahil alam po namin na edukasyon ang susi sa kaunlaran at ang bagong bayani ng bayan ay ang mga katulad kong working student. Dahil nilalaban namin ang aming pangarap para makapagtapos at matupad namin ang aming pangarap. At pag natupad na namin ang aming pangarap, makakatulong na kami sa aming magulang, pati na rin sa bayan and I. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoon.
Good evening. My advocacy since then is the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 3, good health and well-being. Because I believe when a person is healthy in every dimensions, be it physically, emotionally, intellectually, or socially, the more they are productive, the more they are efficient to serve themselves and other people around them. It also leads to personal happiness and life satisfaction. For me, it is a win, not just for myself, but for all people. As the famous quote puts it, health is our wealth. That will be all for tonight. Thank you very much for listening, Antipoleños.
Thank you very much, Ginoon number 7.
Magandang gabi, Antipolo. Ang aking pong advokasya ay naglalayong makapagturo sa ating kapwa-botante kung paano pumili ng ibobotong leader. Mula sa pagkilala sa family, mula sa pagkilala sa family records and sa track records po, hanggang sa platapormang nakalatag para sa kanilang mga plano sa ating bayan. Nararapat po na ating dapat yun ay alam. Maaari po nating alamin kung sino ang ating pipiliing leader dahil sa kanila po natin ipagkakatiwala ang ating government resources, especially sa paggawa ng batas at resolusyon na dapat papakinabangan ng nakararami. Alam ko pong madaming botante ang pipiliin at iboboto ang mga sikat lamang at kung sino at ilan ang mga naibigay sa kanila. Ngunit narito po ako handang tumulong hindi lamang sa pagpili at pagboto sa kung sino ang nararapat, kundi sa mahusay at sa matalinong Rizaleño. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 8.
Good evening, Antipolo. Standing in front of you is not just a contender, but a representative with a purpose. As an advocate for emotional and mental health awareness, and as a psychology student, breaking the stigma is not just a movement, but as much as a cause. That is why I am advocating for more inclusive society by fostering a community in which conversation about mental health are greeted with compassion, encouragement, and a sincere desire to eradicate the stigma that associated with it. In a world we're often overshadowed by realities, breaking the stigma is called to challenge stereotype and discrimination. That is why I want to establish a safe space for people to make them comfortable talking openly and freely about their mental health without fear of being judged. Let us all remember that asking for help and the support is a sign of strength. Antipoleño, it is time for us to heal. As what David Hume once said, it is when we work out together that's the real healing takes place. Good evening.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 9.
Good evening, judges, and good evening to everyone who's watching. So, we often hear about men and women empowerment, but have you ever think about our brothers and sisters that is part of the LGBTQI+ community? No? So, instead of men and women empowerment, I'm advocating in human empowerment. Because ladies and gentlemen, I'm always believing that everyone deserves to be empowered. Everyone, we are all equal to this world, not just men and women, but also the LGBTQI+ community who are experiencing a lot of discrimination, struggles, and criticism to this world. But yet, they remain strong, calm, and obedient, and they deserve to be empowered too. Once again, my name is John Kirby Abeles, advocating for human empowerment. Let's empower everyone, including me and you. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ginoo number 11.
Good day, everyone. My advocacy is ang pangangalaga sa kalikasan natin. Dahil ito, importante sa ating bayan. Hindi ito responsible, kundi isang tungkulin nating mga tao. As a young future leader, kailangan natin ng eco-friendly, magtayo ng mga puno at iba pa. Kailangan natin pangalagaan ang kalikasan na meron tayo. At kailangan din natin magtulong-tulungan dahil ang edukasyon ay isa sa pamamagitan ng kaalaman natin upang masolusyonan natin lahat ng problema at ma-lessen ang mga pollution at mga trahedya. At yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Ginoo number 12. Number 13.
Raising awareness, breaking the stigma, and promoting high-quality education. Let's stand together to fight against HIV. Human immunodeficiency or HIV is not a death sentence, but its stigma can be. And through holistic education, which contains both knowledge and good values together with the empowerment and government support, we can make a difference. A positive difference that can be beneficial for everyone. get tested, know your status because awareness can save lives. And if not now, then when? If not me, then who probably be? And always remember, lagi nating tatandaan, angat ang may alam, angat din ang laging handa, maging alisto at protektado para ang buhay natin ay maayos hanggang dulo. Marami pong salamat and enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you for the awareness.
A young soul right before you, ripened from the farthest province of Negros Occidental. I do not come from a well-to-do family. We are 14 siblings. Out of 14 siblings, I'm the only one who were able to study in college, even in high school, because of my determination and dedication. As I firmly believe that to really attain success in life, one has to consider it is quality education. My advocacy is to promote quality education. We gather here tonight not to merely acknowledge the importance of quality education, but to champion the cause of quality education. It is a cause that transcends borders, socio-economic status, for it is a bedrock which upon societies are built and individuals are empowered. Yet, despite its undeniable significance, quality education remains an elusive dream for many. That's why I'm encouraging each and every one of you, especially to our future generation, please continue your study. Because we're not studying just for school. We are studying to improve the standard of our living. Thank you.
Thank you noon, number 16.
Good evening. Suicide is a leading cause of death among young people. We must break the stigma surrounding mental health and create a culture where seeing health as seen as a strength, not a weakness. Tonight, I stand before you to advocate for a cause that touches us all, mental health awareness. It's time to confront a silent crisis that affects millions. Mental health, it's not just a personal issue. It is a societal one. By choosing to address it openly, we can save lives faster and create a more compassionate world. Together, we can dismantle the stigma and cultivate a society where mental health is being prioritized. Let's be the generation that makes this change happen. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ginoon, number 16.
Magandang gabi, Antipolo. Napakarami na pong inilatag na advokasya at iba't iba ang kanilang pinaglalaban. Kaya ang aking pong advokasya ay suportahan ang bawat advokasya. Advocacy support all advocacies. Upang matunan naman po ito ng pansin dahil ang advokasya po ay hindi napapagtagumpayan kung tayo pong mismong mga mamamayang Pilipino ay hindi natin ito kayang suportahan. Dahil kahit gaano pa po kagaling at kahusay ang nagsasalita, kahit gaano niya pa po kagustong umunlad ang ating bansa at solusyonan ang mga problema, kung hindi po tayo magkakaisa at makikipagkapit-bisig, ay magiging pangarap na lang po natin na umunlad ang ating minamahal na inang bayan. Dahil sa una't huli po at takdang panahon, walang ibang magkakaunawaan kundi tayong mga Pilipino po. Muli, magandang gabi, Antipolo.
Thank you very much, Ginoon, number 18.